Trades insurance made easy with Markel Direct. Get a quote in just 90 seconds. That's less time than making a cuppa.
Make sure you check out Markel Direct's website at markeluk.com/bald builders.
If you weren't late, then you'd have probably had that privilege.
And I think he was after just taking loads of glory, wasn't he?
It was,
He was a glory hunter. So that is for you. What do I always say?
What's in it? Mate, look at that. Man's kitted. Man got a knife, hammer, a drill, a pencil.
Oh.
Cheers, bro.
What do you always come and nick from me?
Everything. Everything is in there.
I always say you should have a tape measure, knife and a pencil in your pocket, which is always a good thing to have in your pocket.
Yeah.
And then the last thing that you do always come and nick from me is a hammer. So I thought I'd get you a hammer as well.
No, I got everything, bro. I'm kitted, bro.
Oh, mate.
And
Cheers,
then you
bro.
like Sam's hammer like that, so I thought, well, I'll get that one.
Thank you, bro.
This is cute. This is a cute moment.
Bro, I'm taking all the labels off.
Have a look at what you thought was a pencil as well. That's a new addition.
Oh, it's a proper pen one.
He's got a proper pen, bro. Back off, Ben. New and improved, mate.
Pencil, I like tools, mate.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, where's my tools, Brad?
Now you just got to get Sam to sort you out with an impact driver.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't stretching to that.
Set you back too much.
What a nice moment. Good start to a Friday.
Do you know what you should have opened first though? The knife.
The knife, yeah.
We are going to carry on with the bay. So I'm
Yeah.
going to get the rest of those battens in a sec. And then obviously we've got to form that corner. And then once we form that corner, we can then start joining the two together.
Cool.
Because there has to be a cut somewhere where you're using the corners. Obviously you'd be very lucky if you went from corner that side and come to that side and finished on a corner. So you've got to make a join somewhere, a cut of a tile, without making it look too obvious.
Yeah.
So yeah, once they're set, then we can really start cracking on with it. 2, 3, 4, 5, another 4. Just cutting all the battens ready to size for that side, and then we can just nail them all up rather than stop, start, stop, start.
Brad's just told me about the tradition of Friday fry-up, so I'm going to ring Sam and see if I can sell it to him that for the vlog we should all go for a fry-up. What do you reckon my chances are?
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know.
The person you're calling.
Hi, this is Sam. Fine. If you can't get hold of me, please.
He already knew. He
Oh,
already
did
turned
he?
the phone off. He's got like 6 cents.
The person you're calling.
Oh,
Hi, this is Sam. Fine.
okay,
if you
well,
can't get
we'll
hold
try
of
again in a
me,
minute.
please.
It's ringing.
Definitely a no.
Well, go on.
Hello mate, how you doing, you alright?
Yeah, not bad.
I just sent to Brad and Ted, I think it would be a really good idea for the vlog if we all went for a fry-up.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on that?
If you weren't late, then you'd have probably had that privilege.
Punctuality is something I demand from my employees. I need them to show up on time. So when I finally show up, we can get started right away.
Hey, Sam, I wasn't late though. I was here before anyone else.
But
Ted was the only one. Ted's the only one that would be allowed to fry up if anyone was.
But Ted, tell him why I was late.
Oh, Sam.
Oh yeah.
Sam.
Yeah.
Brad's hooked me up with some tools, bro. I got a knife, a pen, a tape measure, and a hammer, and a box.
Very nice.
So-
Then you two can go.
Yeah,
What do
can,
you mean? I
can
got-
Steve come as well? 'Cause
I was
Steve
stuck in
came as
Steve-
well.
Steve was with me, so it wasn't his fault.
Oh, and Steve. Yeah, cool. Steve can go regardless. I don't care.
Alright, see. So not Ben, yeah?
Right, okay, so everyone going for a fry-up but me is what you said.
Don't worry, we'll bring you back a bean.
Thanks. Thanks so much.
Yeah, just bring one bean back.
Alright, lovely. Okay. Well, cheers,
That's
Sam.
alright, man.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Ben, thanks for making the effort for calling Sam so that we can go.
Yeah, can you get some work done now? Oh yeah, crack on with the work then, boys. Nice to see you. Nice to speak to you.
Yeah, nice to see you. See you nice.
I'll see you in about 15.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye. What's going on, Brad?
So, just obviously this corner here, just trying to make this nice. Basically. And then, obviously, so you've got a 45 the tiles, so that then you can bring them close together.
Yeah.
So imagine if I didn't, obviously I'd be trying to do it like that. Obviously, and it just won't work.
Yeah.
So yeah, just trying to do those. One of them is quite nice, but the other one is slightly off still. Imagine as you're bringing that in, just the angle's very slightly off. He said all he needs now from Samuel is an impact driver.
He's got an impact driver.
Has he?
He's got an impact. He's got power tools, and he doesn't charge the battery, so he can't use them.
Ted, it's all coming out now, mate.
He's got a whole bag of tools in the back of his van.
Has he?
Have you not seen
Has
it?
has he got what I just got him?
No, no. But he's got an SDS drill. He's got a cordless drill. He's got an impact driver. He's got a jigsaw.
That's skill saw.
Get him out, we're trying
And a skill saw.
And the skill saw.
Yeah, and he doesn't charge the battery, so he can't use it. Ben, I've got you a present.
We got me. Ooh.
This. You was asking for it.
Okay.
It's got a back to it though.
Back to it.
It's got a back to it.
What do you
Never
mean?
heard that saying?
No, what's that?
It's got a back to it, it means you give it back.
Oh, right.
So I keep saying about my hammer that he stole. Where's my hammer, you?
I found it. I know where it is.
You're responsible. These are the two things you're responsible for at the moment. My hammer and my spirit level. My boat level.
Okay.
And if I don't get him back by Monday or when he's finished doing whatever he's doing, there'll be trouble.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers!
So can I have my boat
I
level
have,
back?
but it's about a 30-minute drive. Is that right?
So can I have my boat level back now?
You can go out with your boat at the weekend, alright?
Yeah, exactly. Give my hammer.
Please.
Please.
If you buy me breakfast, I will.
No. I'll just go and get it myself.
You don't know where it is, though.
I do know where it is. I'll find it back.
You're not going to find it 'cause it's hidden. Alright, I'm going to take you on a journey of how my brain functions of Ted Tuesday treats.
Okay,
But today's on a Friday.
let's go.
Make sure you say hello to the cashier. Alright.
Hello.
Very crucial step.
What is this?
No, that's too rogue. That is too rogue.
Mini jelly. What?
That's too rogue. So, I'm getting them.
Creamy truffle. Yeah, well, no.
It's done, bro. That's how you do it. I want receipt.
So we'll wait for Sam,
Then we're going Calf.
and then we're going to get full English.
Yeah, innit, Brad? We're going full English.
Full English, mate.
Nah. Ham and cheese omelette. With chips and beans. No
beans.
salad.
It's time for Ted's Tuesday
Cheese!
Treats!
on a Friday.
On a
Friday,
On a Friday
yeah.
time. And today we've got these. What? It's not loose chocolate, bro.
It's not. It's like a mousse.
What's this?
Yeah.
It's in.
It's basically just galaxy on galaxy.
Yeah, it's making a good noise whilst you
Isn't it?
crunch it.
It's
Yeah.
always a galaxy. What's your
They're
favourite
very
one?
nice.
What's the score out of 10?
I'm going to say 9.
9.
Yeah. They're
So I
nice.
thought it's 9. Oh no, because
Ben,
we
do you
had.
want one? Oh wait, you can't. Sure, mate.
Oh, you don't eat chocolate?
Oh, I can't eat chocolate, mate.
Why don't you eat chocolate?
Gives you migraine.
Oh, yeah, that's it. But I need some work. Wow. Possibly just fell over that.
It's alright, we've got 2 cameras on it. No one saw.
So Brad wanted to start on Test Tuesday treats on a Friday. So, Farrell.
really like moussey chocolate.
It's not moussey.
What's it like inside?
Galaxy on Galaxy. It's like a ripple.
Is he lying? Have you tried one, Ben?
I can't have it.
I can't eat it.
Don't
It
give
looks
it any
nice
mind.
though.
Honestly, it's good.
We've just gone straight in.
I like it. You don't like it?
Not overly.
What don't you like about it?
With that moussey kind of chocolate, isn't it?
What's not to like about moussey chocolate?
The Galaxy's kicking in now though, so
Yeah.
chocolate.
What
It's chocolate.
What do you give it out of 10?
Probably 5 or 6.
5 or 6?
Mm.
What was that, bro?
Now that I've actually finished it,
Yeah.
I'd probably actually rate that a little bit higher, Ted.
Good. I said a 9.
The aftertaste is better than the first initial bite.
Right.
So yeah, they were actually alright. I'll take it all back.
So what? Are you
Take it back, Ted.
You changing to a 7 or an 8?
Yeah, I think go for an 8 on that.
An 8?
Yeah. Yeah, the aftertaste. Let it kick in.
Yeah.
Let that, you know.
Sort of mellow a little bit,
Now I've just got the nice
like a fine
taste.
wine.
Now I'm left wanting more.
Oh no.
And he's eating them all. That's what I was saying about having to put a cut in. So you know what I was saying about, because you're starting from corner to corner. So obviously you just got to disguise a cut in the middle somewhere. Because probably what you'll find is when you're down the bottom, you'll probably look at the corners. So you go, oh, that's nice, the way that all comes out like that. And you won't look at the middle. So that's why you kind of just always try and disguise a tile in the middle. Little tip. I ain't no roofer, but
No.
we're making it work, you know. So obviously we started up here, started forming this corner, ready to go up round the roof there. Got a bit of lead in, which we've done. Some batten over there. And then obviously this morning we've had to start getting this corner set, because you've got to do your 2 corners and then work back from your corners. Right. So I've done that, so now we've got the first row in. They're all in from there. So that's actually had to be cut that way, that way, that way, and up there to make that work.
That was unexpected to come out, wasn't it? We were keeping that, weren't we? That's going to come out as well now.
Yeah.
And I've got a new fireplace going in. I've ordered them this morning. Okay, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes.
The piece de resistance. So we've got the cast fireplace, and then we've got the granite heath as well.
Yeah, that's nice.
So that's going to go there.
In black, yeah?
Just as that is there, as you see it, and it's solid fuel, so it's wood burner,
Yeah.
rather than gas or electric. So wood burner like that. We'll get the chimney swept, as you can use them if you want, and it comes to roughly about that height, and I believe it's slightly wider than what the original was. They should come to about there roughly.
Right.
So hopefully they come next week, because we need to fit them before you get into the plane. Need to go in and plaster around them.
Why do you go up like that instead of going across like other broads
Because
do?
he's just working over there as well. I just started seeing the shape.
Yeah.
Because it working anything in the building game can become repetitive. So if I just went along and along and along, I get bored. I wanted to see it go up. And he's working on that corner as well, so sort of running that corner in. I'm waiting for him to do that fancy cut there, because he's the wizard on the old measurements. He's waiting for me to do it. I'm waiting for him to do it.
So we get to a point where we're both done.
So we both look at it.
We do half the cut
Half
each.
cut each, yeah. We suss it out together.
Talk to me, baby. What's up?
Nothing's up. I'm just looking at the colours. Oh, I love them.
All right.
Isn't that great? Have a look.
You look like you were.
Thinking. No, I was thinking. Look at the colour. Lovely, isn't they?
Yeah,
They're lovely.
nice.
When they get the cream window, you imagine that with a cream window. When they got that yellow stock brickwork. I don't know what colour she's going to paint the house yet. We'll see. It'll be an off-white. It won't be a bright white. Be an off-white.
And I think he was after just taking loads of glory, wasn't he?
It was,
He
yeah.
was a glory hunter. And he's come in and he's firing tiles on.
Yeah.
And let's just rewind to the start of this episode when I said about building the corners and working out from the corners. And then you put your cut in the middle. Well, Brad come along, thought, I get his intentions. He thought, I'll help you push along. So he put all the tiles on, and obviously, as you can imagine, if this wall's out slightly, which it's old, so it could be.
Yeah.
So Brad's put in 120mm cuts all through the middle, square, boom, straight up.
Yeah.
And then I just went to put this one on, and then suddenly there was like a 25mm gap. So I had to take all the tiles back off that he'd put on, so that I could then sort that out, so that I had no big cut here. So, brothers, mate, when I next see you, we're gonna have to have chats. So I just put the corner on. So it's where I've been having to modify some of these, where this has a little kick out at the bottom. So I just wanted to double check that that run nice with the tile.
Yeah.
Because on these, some of these, I might have been having to take 10mm off the bottom, but nothing on there where they're sort of kicking out a little bit like that.
Okay.
But obviously, as you get nearer the top, obviously the wall starts squaring back up, so then you're back to your square line again, which is nice. So yeah, imagine there, then look at that, then screws right out. So having to shape all of these as I've been going up. So that's on, that's that side there, ready to go that way now. Now I just want to do the same on there, just to make sure I haven't got to take anything off of there.
Another day done, Benny.
Yeah.
Another week done, my friend.
Yeah.
Brad's done alright, to be fair. Got most of that on, which is looking lovely. Nice different choice of tiles then, isn't they? I like it. I just had a meeting. I've got some footage to give you actually.
Nice.
Yeah, good day. When you get home, you need to clean the camera because it's full of dust.
It is, yeah.
I can see it's very dusty.
It's very dusty.
But yeah, until next week, don't forget to like and subscribe because it all helps. Brad, what they got to do?
Like and subscribe.
Steve, what they got to do?
Like and subscribe. Yeah.
Yay.
Steve's my favourite one.
So that's it for today's video, and remember to check out our partner Markel Direct Trades Insurance for a no-nonsense business insurance quote.
And you can get your trades business protected in minutes at the Markel Direct website, markeluk.com/ballbuilders.